Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
Mark from the JeepsterMan. And if you saw my video about the rear shackles, I'm going to now talk about the front shackle. The difference of front shackle, especially on this earlier Jeepster Commando, this happens to be a 67, is they're 1 3/4 inch wide, but basically the same concept, an upper and a lower bushing and a shackle that comes in a kit with those bushings, pretty easy to replace. And keep in mind, this 1 3/4 is very common on a lot of Willys vehicles, trucks, wagons, the early Jeepster, things like that. You can look on our online parts catalog and you'll find some information about what all they fit, but a very common shackle. When installing these, there's a trick that I use, and I'm going to show this to you, that you don't want to put oil on these bushings, whether it's the front or the rear. You really want to be careful because oil will eat them up and chew them up. And even though they're meant to wear and they kind of help and absorb a lot of the wear and tear of the road and wear over time normally, you don't want to make them wear any earlier by putting oil on them. I use this. It's called Awesome. You can buy it just about anywhere. It's a soapy solution. Really helps you press them on, makes it an easy job. Sometimes I'll stick a C-clamp on there as well to put it on. So this is what the shackle looks like in its kit. And once again, I point the bolts outward. It's really up to your preference, but that's how I do it. And at the same time, do not over torque them. I torque them to about 35 foot-pounds, and that is plenty. If you do any more than that, you really risk over tightening these bushings and premature wear, or worse than that, stripping these threads out or breaking them. But this kit can be found on our website, which is thejeepsterman.com. And the part number for this is 928763. Very good product, made really well and works good. Thank you.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts Catalog from the Jeepsterman, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.
Awesome. Actually, you know what?
No high tech at all.